this license up, it was really nice. It's like, oh, it's going to use this many meters of stuff.
All right, here we got the boxster. We got the front batteries out. We had 2 cells in the one battery that weren't working right. This is the battery with the 2 cells, and they sent us a replacement, which we just installed in our front battery box. And I've charged them up with my charger so that all the batteries are even now, the same charge. Now, we put this back in. The question is, do we put this back in, or do we try to get some of the newer cells, which are 20% larger capacity? These were the 5.2 kilowatts, or is it 5.5? Yeah, I think it's 5.5, and the newer ones are 6.2. The other possibility is that this new motor, this is called the Hyper 9, and it's a much more efficient motor, but when we say much more, one is 90, maybe the other is 95%. So the efficiency, we don't really know how much more, but it might give us more range. These are 2 things that we could do to try to get a little more range on this boxster. Or we just go with what we got. Now we have no batteries in the trunk here, which we were deciding that we didn't want anything in the trunk, but we did put them down here, which I guess you were not happy with. You didn't want them lower. The other thing that we had was we did have the batteries in here at one time, but because of the heat from the motor, that overheated 2 of the batteries, and we replaced them at our cost. The 2 that got cooked inside here from the motor. The other thing is that the AC motor, of course, doesn't get as hot because it's more efficient. So that's kind of where we are. I was thinking that I would finish that battery box, put it in, get it done, and get it to you. But as my coworker here says, if it's not what you want, then why put it all in and then take it all out and put more different batteries in? So before we do anything more, we'll send this and see what you say.